Hi, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export the Sketchfab 3D models from Sketchfab website and import into your iClone 7 3D animation software. Sketchfab website offer a lot of 3D models which is really free for you to use, like CC license, Creative Commons, really a lot. And now I'm going to show you step by step. First, you can scroll down, go to my video descriptions. I already give you a free download link. That is not a free download link, that is the official website of the sketchfab.com. You need to enter that website first. Click into that link and it will automatically open in a new tab in your browser. In your Sketchfab, you have to log in by using your email or your Google account, and then now you can search any 3D models here. In order to search any 3D models, first you type in the keywords, for example, house, and then it automatically will come out all the results, but all are paid versions. And here you can filter it. The license, make sure you click here, and then you tick all the CC license. Standard and editorial, please do not take. You only take the blue color CC license. These are all for free. And make sure you take downloadable. Take downloadable. And then the category. The category here, you have to choose it wisely. Okay, make sure you untick the standard and editorial, and it is downloadable. You can see all of this. Make sure you double check downloadable and also do not take standard and editorial. Once you filter it out, and also you have the keywords, all of the 3D models here are free for you to download, and it is under the Creative Commons license. So now I'm going to download any random 3D models. For example, I try to download this model. Just have a click. And if you click in this way, you are unable to download it because this is a preview. So in order to download it, you have to close first and make sure you right click, open in a new tab. Once you open in a new tab, it is loading the 3D models. This is a preview. And if you want to download it, you have to scroll down. You have to scroll down and you have a button here, download 3D model. Just have a click. And then you have the original format to download this. This is the FBX. Just need to click download. And now it is downloading. This is 35.6 MB. And here I should choose another models that have low poly because we don't want it to be too complicated for your 3D animations. So now I will download another simple one. Right click this, click open in a new tab. Here you have a download buttons as I can see now. Just now I can't see. Now the download 3D models. Once you click in, you can download the FBX file. Okay, this one is the forest house. After you download it, this is my Google Chrome browser. I may just click here and click show in folder. Alright, this is a forest house. It downloaded as a zip file, so I right click it and I click extract all and click extract. Once I click extract all, it will automatically extract in another folder. There is a forest house folder. This is a file folder and it automatically will open the forest house. One is the source. Wow, this is another RAR file. The RAR file, you need to right click and extract it by using the 7-zip. If you don't have the 7-zip, you have to download the 7-zip first. So I will give you the 7-zip link. 7-zip download. Just click the 7-zip download. And then here, it depends on your Windows operating system. You can click and download the 64 bits or 32 bits. It is up to you. Once downloaded, you just need to install the 7-zip into your computer. Then you should be able to extract any of the zip file. For example, this is RAR file. You just need to right click and you have a 7-zip options. Here, you can just click extract to Forest House. The FBX file should be inside your Forest House. And the Forest House, you can drag the FBX file into your iClone 7 3D animation software. Where is it now? The Forest House. What I need to do is just drag in the FBX file into iClone 7. This object contains 158 meshes. Would you like to break up the meshes into subprop? Here I can select yes. And this is too small. I may just increase the size to become 1000, 1000, and 1000. Sorry. The scale 1000, enter, 1000, enter, and here 1000, enter. Now you can see these 3D models without texture. We can add in the texture. The texture is already in the folder. This is a main diffuse. What you are going to do is just drag in the diffuse into the 3D model and release your mouse buttons. Now you can see that means it has so many meshes here. So there are really a lot. So once you break into different meshes, then you have to add in one by one. So now I don't want this already. I go to the scene and I download the whole models. Now I import again. I want to select no, do not break into the small meshes. So Forest House models I drag in, and here I select no. Maybe it is better. Now it only have one mesh, and now I apply the texture. First I adjust the size here, or I make it become 1000, enter, 1000, enter, here 1000, enter. Now what I need to do is, now it only have one mesh. I just need to drag in the main diffuse into the models, and you see all the texture automatic will be filled in. And the strength, I make sure I make it become 100, and now this 3D models is complete. In order to save these 3D models as a new prop into your iClone 7 3D animation software, what you need to click is click the contents, click here, click custom, and then click the prop. Under the prop here, you can click plus. Once you click plus, it will automatically save as a new prop, and you can use it anytime whenever you want to use in your iClone 7 3D animations. Now, this 3D models is already here. Alright, it is already become an iProp, and that's all for today about how to download and grab any of the 3D models from Sketchfab and import into your 3D animation software, iClone 7. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation, 3D modeling, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.